here, the founder of Webli. Now I'm going to search the Webli link. This is the original link from the official site. If you open it, you will be redirecting to the page. So this is our original website, webly.nifty.app. If the domain updated, we will show you or send you later. Here are all the products that we sell. It is the digital website that we sell. Here there are some candidates and some of our reviews should be there. And what answer you want, you can get it from here. And anything need to help, so you can get it from our WhatsApp support or our email support. So at first, if you want to book a website, at first you have to choose a plan at first. But before choosing a plan, you have to go log in it. So login is simple. Just you create an account, name anything, just as I am giving user. Now here I will be writing the email of the original will be. It is just a support. It is not an original email. That it exists, but it's not the original. Now write any password and have a good day. Create an account. Tap it. Now here the website open. Now click on the Wellbe logo. Then you will redirect to the home page, and after it, choose a plan you want to book. For example, I'm booking the premium package. Through WhatsApp, you can directly order, or you can book from here too. Here, user, phone, you have to fill up all the informations such as full name, email, phone number, WhatsApp number, business name, and business category, preferred package, which package you want to buy, pay and payment method, and additional notes for the creation of the project or the website. You can write the goals, timelines, what you want to add. You can write it over there, such as at first there are bank transfer, UPI, credit card, PayPal discussed during proposal. All payment methods are accepted here. Now in the additional notes, you can write anything about your how you will create, and what things you want and what you don't want, and how it will be created. After that, click on submit, and if you want to tag, you can click on